got chocolates. Keep it in the pocket.
Cut பண்ணுங்க.
Give it to Harshit. Aradhana. Thank you.
சின்னதா கட் பண்ணிடுங்க.
Sit down, Yashwan. Hello, the not later. When we are going to home. Rishita. Anusha, you got it? Everybody got the chocolate? Everybody got? Yes, ma'am. Shall we give it them in the last?
Okay, whatever you
will open and they will take each other's and
okay.
See, we will give it to you in your bag. It will come in your bag, okay?
அப்புறமா கொடுக்கலாம் சொல்லலாம். எல்லா கேக் சர்வ் பண்ணு.